Another great addition to your library of sauces. Simple, classic, and always reliable. Today we're making homemade tartar sauce, a staple that instantly elevates seafood, sandwiches, salads, and more. Tartar sauce carries a surprisingly interesting backstory. It's named after the Tartar people, a nod to the raw meat dishes they traditionally prepared, dishes this sauce originally complemented. The Tatar people reside in the Volga-Ural region of Russia, as well as Crimea, Central Asia, and Eastern Europe. The connection isn't literal, it's more of a culinary homage. A way of saying, this sauce brings a touch of exotic tradition to your table. Let's get our ingredients ready. 240 milliliters mayonnaise, 30 g capers chopped, 45 g sweet gherkins chopped, 15 milliliters parsley minced, 7 milliliters lemon juice, salt to taste, 1 hard-cooked egg minced. This is a classic combination, creamy, bright, briny, and textured. The technique could not be simpler. Stir all the ingredients together until well blended. Chill before serving. That's it. No fuss. No complicated steps. Just honest, flavor-forward tartar sauce. Your tartar sauce is now ready to transform dishes across your kitchen. Use it as a base for chicken salad, a salad dressing, a sandwich spread, a dip for roasted vegetables. It's far more versatile than people think. If you want to take this even further, try making your own mayonnaise. It's built from just 4 simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. We have an upcoming clip walking you through the full homemade method. And if you're using store-bought, take a moment to read the label. It's always worth knowing what you're buying. We hope you enjoy what we've put together. And if you do, hit the subscribe button to follow along.